Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide photos or videos in your Google Photos. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, just open up the Google Photos application. So if I go through any of the photos or videos, so I just want to hide this one here, so I can tap and hold on it. And you see it gives me a bunch of different options here, but hiding it is not an option. So on the phone in the default Photos app, you can hide it and have it Face ID protected, but in Google Photos that just isn't a feature that they have rolled out yet. So you can hide it, you can basically put it under password protection, but what you can do is hit this move to archive here. So what this will do is it will remove it from this normal photos gallery in Google Photos. Of course, you can tap on this collection at the bottom right, and now you can tap on this archive and you will see your photo here you have archived. So it should show up here once it actually moves it to the archive, and basically that photo will now be in your archive. So it's not in your normal photos gallery on here, but it is in your archive. So this is the one way that you can hide that photo. Of course, another option that you have is just to tap on your profile picture in the top right, and then you can just log out or change which account you are logged into. So you can see I am logged into this account. I can always tap on this drop down arrow and just switch to a different account, and then as that essentially will hide that specific photo because it will be a whole different set of photos and videos. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to hide photos or videos in Google Photos. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.